What is up, my people? You already know it's your boy, Jhune, and we about to check out YooA Bonvoyage. Super AI. Super AI. Super AI. AI as in what, baby? I don't know. Yeah, this is her first. Who else has had? I don't think anyone else has had what's it called? A solo from Oh My Girl. This is the first, right? Yeah, I think so. I'm excited. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, it's a ponytail. Cause I'm like, yo, why the hell? I thought her head was shaped like that for a second. I'm sorry. No disrespect, but yeah. Oh, those extensions. I remember she cut her hair. She cut her hair, didn't she? Or was this before she cut her hair? That's another wolf. Are you gonna pass out? No? Where are you running to? Oh, this is so cute. Was she like abandoned? Oh, this is so cute. This is cute. This outfit, that. Stay stream. Okay, for a second, a split second, she sounded like Joy. Sound like Joy from Red Velvet for a split second. Okay. It's one of these songs. It's one of these. Okay. What do you call this? Is this house music? What genre is this? Are you a pixie? I am loving this whole concept. Were you a pixie? Are you like the forest spirit? Oh, there's the hair. Okay, is that a wig or did you actually cut your hair? I'm gonna say that's a wig. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Bro. I'm loving that look for her. Oh my gosh. That look, oh my god. If this was a TV series, I'll watch it. If this was a TV series, I would definitely watch this. And of course, like, she has to be, starring. It's just like mystical at the same time. It's like magical at the same time. Was she like waterbending for a second? Like what was that? She's a wolf pack leader? Oh no, that. Okay, was that like your past life? Was that your past life? Wait, YooA, wait! Oh, there's a stage for it? Bro, that. I like that whole, bro. I really wish that was an actual TV series. Like, I wish that was like some on YouTube or Netflix. Like, I would actually binge that, bro. The whole video was in 4K too, bro. All of those outfits, bro. Okay, hold on. So there's a stage performance. All right, there's a stage performance, and I actually want to check it out. So we gonna check that out. Star K. Bro, that orange hair with the braids in it, and then when she had the marks on her face, the little freckles, bro, that is like, bro, that fits. That is so. Oh my gosh. I think I remember like early when Oh My Girl like debuted. I remember people were like, if YooA got what's it called, surgery on their eyes or something, look how white they are and stuff. Bro, I want to see some sort of like CGI where like she just like grows wings out of somewhere, like. Oh. Bro, this is like a freaking OST you're hearing a freaking a series. I don't know why they went with this theme. Bro, she's such a great dancer. Like, I always feel like it's definitely hard to be powerful and smooth. Being powerful and smooth when you dance is like, that's a prestigious level. It's really not that easy. Like it's almost like speaking. You know, like being powerful and smooth with your dance moves is like being able to like publicly speak and like not mumble or like stumble on your words. I don't know, that's what I compare it to. Just hit every movement. I don't know if it's me, but I mean, her and Joy slightly sound alike. Bro, I am loving this. I'm enjoying this song. How they get information so fast? She turned like that. I would love to see her crump. I would love to see YooA crump. Oh yeah, it's a whole mini album. I gotta check that out. Yeah, that was YooA, Bonvoyage. That whole video was amazing. The outfits were amazing, and bro, that shit's a wallpaper right there, bro. Like yo, that. That. That's wallpaper. That's wallpaper. Like, shit's beautiful, amazing. Anyways, you already know. It's been Jamaican blooded, Canadian born, Korean enthusiast. I'll meet y'all in the next one. 이따 봐.